Nevin Harrison is an American sprint canoeist. She was born on June 2, 2002 in Seattle, Washington, United States. She won the gold medal in the women's canoe single 200-meter competition at the Olympics Games Tokyo 2020. Qualifying for the 2020 Summer Olympics in Tokyo, Harrison won the gold medal in the women's C1 200-meter final. Racing ahead from the start, the world champion Harrison held on to win in a time of 45 seconds and 932 milliseconds. Canada's Laurence Vincent Lapointe claimed the silver medal in 46 seconds 786 milliseconds, and bronze went to Ukraine's Ludmila Luzan with a time of 47 seconds and 034 milliseconds. Harrison crossed the line 0.854 seconds ahead of Vincent Lapointe to earn the USA's first canoe sprint gold at the Games. At the 2019 ICF Canoe Sprint World Championships, she won gold in C1 200-meter, becoming the first American to win a world championship in sprint canoe. She began competing for the USA at age 15, competing at the 2017 ICF Olympic Hopes Regatta in Recife, Czech Republic, winning silver in C1 1000 meter, gold in 500 meter and gold in 200 meter in the 2002 age group. The next year at the 2018 ICF Olympic Hopes Regatta in Poznan, Poland, she won gold in C1 500 meter and 200 meter in the 2002 age group. She competed at the 2019 Pan American Games in Lima, Peru, and won C1 200 meter. In 2019, she moved to the Gig Harbor Canoe and Kayak Racing Team in Gig Harbor, WA. At the 2019 USA Team Trials in Oklahoma City, she won senior and junior C1 1000 meter, 500 meter and 200 meters.